Welcome. So, in front of me I have some amazing piece of tech from straight from China. So we have a smartwatch link contact to comfort Model S2. It's running a Realtek 8763E processor, which I didn't even know Realtek makes processors. Has 450 milliamps of battery. It runs 128 M of RAM. I'm not sure what the M is for. Maybe it's some Realtek technology. It surprisingly has a Bluetooth 5.1 running on Android, or it can run on Android and iOS 9.0 and above. It uses the Fit application to connect to your phone. With some silicone strap, waterproofing at IP69. Nice. Which also gives you the atmosphere, so about 5 atmospheres, which is about 50 meters depth and weight of 50 grams in size. So anyway, let me just pop it open and get a look at how this actually looks like. User manual. See what we got here. User manual looks like went through some hell. Camera isn't really picking it up, but it's kind of got some scuffs and dirt on it, which is kind of funny. Anyway, what we got in here? Kind of interesting stuff. Oh Jesus! What the heck? How long is this? So. Just connecting to app, some info, okay, yeah, whatever, nothing important. Then we got a actually bigger watch than I expected. Yeah, this is actually quite chunky. Whoa, it's turning on. Okay. Anyway, this is powering on, I guess, or is it already on? Yeah, it's already on. Okay, and in here we get just a magnetic charger. Oh, that's actually kind of nice. So it uses magnets with these pogo pins to attach like so. Very nice, actually. Anyway, on the watch itself, it looks like we have a crown, which, let's see what we get. Anywhere I can actually use the crown? Here? No? Is that just for show? Trying to find something where I can scroll up and down. Nope. Come on, nothing, seriously? I mean, technically this is scrollable, so yeah, the crown is just for show. Like, it's not doing anything, and even if it did, it makes these weird kind of... Yeah, I don't think it's gonna be picking up. I'm gonna try once more. I thought the camera was picking it up, but at least I gave it a try. So anyway, that's about all there is. Now I'll be honest, on the actual like image, it looked like a kind of like a hybrid. Where was it? Oh, at the bottom here. So it looked like a hybrid where it has like the paper ink or something along those like old school Casio watches displays, and also a touchscreen. But this is just a full-on just display all around, and it only imitates one, as you can see. So if this is just straight up display, like LCD display, nothing to it. And yeah, so there we go. That's the watch. Honestly, I will admit one thing, it runs a little bit smoother than I expected when you're just flipping through pages. It's a little bit more responsive than I actually would have expected it, so there we go. Anyway, If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.